Sorry about that, guys. That storm got pretty bad yesterday. But, I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, I was explaining yesterday on everything right here, what I've done to it so far. But I'm going to do a little bit of taking this off, taking this front plate off, taking that back plate. Which the back plate's gonna be hard because it is on the stand. I got all this gunk that's built up. So let's get to just taking some of this stuff off. I don't think all these bolts were as tight as they were supposed to be, because I didn't have to put too much torque on it and it broke right loose. All that gunk that was built up inside that. Right there. That was built up inside the timing chain. See, that wasn't that hard. Yeah, that's still shot. She still had oil. Let me get that oil paint off. because it is going in here, and I don't think that oil pan is going to fit where the cross member is. So I will have to get a different oil pan. So I'm just going to wash that up and probably just lay it around just in case I decide to start actually rebuilding these on a basis. So be one of my hobbies. So yeah, let's do this. This is going over because I'm going to wash it too. And these ain't numbered. So I think that's going to be it for today on this episode. Y'all see me do a little bit to the motor. So y'all see that, you know, I am working on the motor. But I wanted to throw in, you know, working on the motor a little bit. We will get back to this sooner. But I want to do this right. I need to get some punches and number punches. That way I can punch these pistons. In case if I reuse them, I'm thinking about going to get new pistons, so it really wouldn't matter. But I still want to see where, you know, when I go to take them out, what cylinder they came out of, and so forth. So, thanks for watching this episode of Minton Trucker's Garage, where we do stuff backwards. Be safe, stay safe. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And I also just started a Instagram page, so you can go there, like, comment in there. Same thing, it's Minton Trucker's Garage. So you can go there and like there, I see who is following me and following my YouTube channel. Because anyway, yeah. So like, comment, subscribe. Go to Facebook, YouTube, and like, comment, subscribe there, or you know, follow whatever you want, whatever it goes. But yeah, y'all have a good 4th of July. Later.